Right, so I've just been out front making a video. That's the Ryanair line coming straight up. Got a twist in it there. There's this muck that's up here that's concealing the load now. But where the sun is, sorry, I parked my ass. See, as the sun vanishes, the chems vanish. That's still there, obviously, but they go black, as you can see there, and then they vanish. I hope this is catching colour. That cloud looks blue on the display. It's actually very dark grey. Now, chemtrail wise, well, you can see a load over there, but I'm relying on focus. Now up above, let's see if that one's there that was coming over the top of the house. That's up that one. It's worse out front. Got that one. That's a mark on window. Sorry, the black bit there. All chemicals, for God's sake, what a mess. You know, it's I really can't believe people are so bloody dumb that they can't see this shit. That is not natural. None of it is natural, I'm afraid. None of it is natural, people. Wake up. You're being poisoned. It's worse in America, but we're being poisoned here as well. What kind of proof do you want before you look in your bloody eyes? So much going on. I'll tell you what, if you don't believe all this, research Flat Earth. Just look it up. I mean, it won't change your bloody life as such. If you don't say out about it, you'll find out how true it is. And then you'll start to see all this lot. You will really start to see it all. And there's so much more. There really is so much more. It's bloody scary. It's bloody frustrating. And I don't wish it on you, but if you want to know truth, well, I'm just trying to guide. You've got to find it for yourself. Don't listen to me. Well, listen to me as such that way, but you know, find out for yourselves. You've got to. You won't believe anybody but yourself. Unless they've got a lab coat on and they say they're from NASA or they're a scientist. Bullshit. They're crap. Ignore it. It's all lies. And don't take my word for that one either. You'll see it. Just look up Flat Earth, for God's sake. And you'll see how many lies there are. If you're Christian and you believe in the globe, I'm afraid you're not a bloody Christian. The Bible has over 200 verses that describe how the earth is flat, stationary, immovable, on pillars. I don't know about that bit, it obviously is, but you know, the rest of it's right. It's as it says in the Old Testament, and I'm not religious as such that way, but I know one thing. Somebody made it. When I look up at the moon or see the sun, I know they're right in front of me. The stars, they're so local. They're very local. They're not all these billions and billions of miles away. That's bullshit. Spread by the people who own $56 million a bloody day. It's a good racket for screwing taxpayers, that lot. People are so fucking dumb they don't do what about it. Sorry about that, but it's true. Same with that 9/11 shit. I think there's a plane over there, not trailing. Where are we? Just over top at Castle, somewhere over that way. It's over there anyway. Never mind. Sorry for dancing around everywhere with cameras. I'm trying to catch everything. I know a lot of it will just be a mass of colours or massive mess, but that's exactly what it is. It's a mass and a mess. Yep, if you want an easy start into the truth community, I guarantee it, look up Flat Earth. And don't go by what they say at the Flat Earth Society, please. That is to discredit it. They can only give part truths, and they take the piss out of us for oh well, you fall off the edge, blah blah blah. That's bullshit. It's like a joke to them. They don't want people finding out the truth. They really do not want people finding out the truth. Because that, well, the truth overmines their control over top of us. If this has annoyed you and you're still with us up to now, then just mute it, please. I'm sorry for the taste of reality, but there it is in front of us. Church bloody bleating away like that. They're behind it. That's a big part of the problem. Church. As I say, there's a God, well, a creator. I don't know about all the lowercase gods. I'm not interested. They probably still exist. I think there's something to all this opening portals and letting something through. The terraforming the earth, our world I should say, as far as I'm concerned. This is the climate change, man-made, and it isn't for us. Whatever all those chemicals are up there, they are not for us. A quick run by on 4 of them. Aluminium, Alzheimer juice. Strontium, I think that's the red stuff. Barium, well, they give you that in meals, don't they, to see what's in your body, so we know damn well it goes in the body. And lithium, as far as I know, that's like fluoride, it dumbs you down. I tell you, they don't want us knowing. I don't know what the agenda is with our council as well, wanting to put fluoride in the water. I think I'll take them a cup of fluoride and say, well, if there's no wrong, drink that. Right, should be able to see it same as me. There's four chemtrails going in diagonal across there, all equally spaced. There's that whopping great chemtrail up at the top going across, and the sky now is just turned into a mess of orange shit, orangey brown crap. That's all it is. There's people underneath that breathing it in, but so are we. Right, so let's have a look over to the northeast maybe. That's over this way. That's where all the frequencies were. The light isn't catching them now, it's just turned into a mess of mush. See the Ryanair to the right, that's the Ryanair trail, over this way. Over what I call the castle in the middle there. There's a trail going up as well. One of those is Ryanair's, you know. Frequencies of at castle. If I can get it right on the viewfinder. Not on that bit, on that bit. I think I'm right there. About there, yeah. What a mess. What a fucking mess. You know, this isn't a fraction as bad as they get it in America. Now, those four I said over there, there's another snot rocket laying a trail. Making a fifth line. Spraying on the other side of that crap, so there's maybe only the bottom bit will appear. That one's just spraying now. Guessing that's up near Carlisle. I'll have to go and have a look. Right, I'll take a pause for a minute and go and see. Nearly out of power on this camera anyway.